Namaskar class. Today in this slide we will learn type of houses. First tell me which type of house do you live in? Okay, we see different type of houses around us. First we will discuss about Kacha house. This is a picture of Kacha house. A house made up of mud, dry leaves, straw, wood, bamboo is a kacha house. It is usually made by the people who live in it. It is mostly found in villages and it is not very strong. Heavy rainfall and strong wind can easily destroy this type of houses. It's a example. It's hut. Kacha house example is hut. Next we will discuss about Pakka house. Pakka houses are also known as permanent house. Pakka house are also known as permanent houses. Pakka house can be big or it can be small. It could have one or two stories. It can have flat, it can be apartment and it can be bungalow. They made up of bricks, cement, iron rod, steel, glass. These type of houses are very strong. There are so many type of pakka houses. First we will discuss about bungalow. This is a picture of bungalow. They have many rooms and a very big garden in front of them. These houses are called bungalows. This is also an example of pakka house. After that, I will tell you about multi-story building. This is a multi-story building known as flats or apartments. They help to save space. They are saving space. They are very high buildings and also known as skyscrapers. They are also known as skyscrapers because in this you will find so many houses in a place. They used to save the place. Pakka houses are generally found in towns and cities. Most of the houses are made up of bricks, steel, and cement. That is why they are known as Pakka houses. Now there are so many different type of Pakka houses also there. Now there are some temporary houses are also there. After Kacha house and Pakka house, we will discuss about temporary houses. Now this first picture is of caravan. Some people do not stay at one place for a very long time. Okay, so they keep moving from one place to another so that they make houses that can be carried anywhere or they can move easily from one place to another. So first example of temporary houses is caravan. This is a house on wheels. This house is known as the house on wheels. It is called a caravan. People like actors who move from one place to another place usually live in caravans. Caravans were easily earlier pulled by animals. A modern caravan is driven by an engine and it is used by the actors are very luxurious. Okay, after that we will discuss about tent. This is also a temporary house. Tents are used by the mountaineers and soldiers in a battlefield. They can be easily folded and carried along. They are usually made up of thick cloth called canvas. The cloth which is used to make this tent is known as canvas. After that, I will show you one more temporary house. It's a houseboat. It is a house that floats on water, and houseboats are also known as shikaras. Houseboats are also known as shikaras. They are generally found in Kashmir and Kerala. They are found in Kashmir and Kerala. Now, after these temporary houses, I will show you some special type of houses. Some houses are made according to their place. Some houses are made according to their places. For example, first is igloo. Some people live in polar regions. Polar regions are covered with snow throughout the year. This is made up of ice blocks. Eskimos live in igloos. An igloo has a small entrance. Eskimos crawl into the house through this entrance. Igloo have round rooftops. They use oil lamps for heat or light. After that, I will show you one more special type of house, that is stilt house. Some houses are made on wooden poles. This type of house, you can see it is made on wooden poles. Their base of this kind of house is quite high from the ground level. Means this is a ground level and it is made on the height. Such houses are called stilt house. The houses are made in the area that they are found in the flooded or heavy rainy areas. A ladder is used to enter a stilt house. You can see a ladder here. Ladder, it is used to see so that we can enter in our house. So there is a ladder and it is above from the ground level. After this special type of houses, kacha house, pakka house and temporary house, we should know how we can keep our house clean. Now I will tell you how to keep our house clean. A good house should have lots of sunlight and fresh air. We should always keep our house neat and tidy. And you should always put your things at the proper place after using it. And you should always keep your things at the proper place. And you should always do dusting on the furnitures and allow fresh air and light. How you can how there we can send our light and air? By wire netting doors and windows. And we should always remove cobwebs so that we cannot invite any kind of unwanted guest. So today in this slide we have learned about the type of houses. First was kacha house, then pakka house. After that we have revised some type of houses like bungalows and multi-story buildings, and after that there are some temporary house, that is caravan, tent, houseboat, and some special houses like igloo and stilt house. And after that we have done how we can keep our house neat and clean. Have a nice day.